Hey there, guys, gals, fans, and pals. Your buddy JohnMegacycle here. Oh, another episode of Captain of Industry coming at ya. There's a lot going on. I don't have any spare excavators. Aren't these... Wait, are these level 1 excavators? Oh, why? That's why stuff sucks. Okay, how many level 1... I keep wanting to say escalators. Excavators. Oh, that's right. I remember. I think I changed them out. They were the big damn it. Excavators. Now I pinned myself out. Now I'm just going to keep saying escalators instead of excavators. We had two of the big excavators. Got it. Yes! First try. Going. But the thing of the matter is we switched them out for like limestone or something. So we can easily get one of them built. Yeah, we have the steel, we have the fuel. I'm very sure we better have the steel. Okay. Started there for a second because I'm like, I did not consider the eventuality I did not have steel. Oh, that would have made me cry so bad. Okay. Groundwater resource is getting low, which is fine. Pop, pop. We've played this game before. Takes a little bit of dancing to get it to work, and that's fine. We've changed the fertilization levels, or the growth levels, and what's being grown. We're going to let this simmer. We're not in a rush. We have bread. I think bread is in a category of its own, and it's the most important that we have it, right? No, bread is the same as the other... Oh, carbs, right. Carbs, protein, vitamins, treats. Okay. The only other thing really is vegetables is the most important because they're in a category all by itself. But we have tons of meat, tons of eggs. We're getting a fair amount of unity off of that. We're at 114 out of 248. Things are looking good. Last episode, we also went and dialed in our research. Look at this smexy thing, yeah? Ah, so good. No longer shall there ever be not research. That's something I should have automated ages ago, but it took me a while to just get it in and get it done. We can turn you back on. Hydrogen being empty is no joke. That having hydrogen saves me a lot of other process. Okay, you're out of power. Power is an issue, of course. Of course it is. It is something I have said before. It's like, I should really do something about this. Yuck, and then I don't. Because I'm a genius. Glass supply is low still? Really? Again, probably because Science Labs got, yeah, activated. How are we on the cullet? If this container's full, that other one is as well, assuredly. Yep. Go scrap, thanks. Get some big excavators up in here. Yeah, we just need steel. We got little man in here doing the work of industry, and now we should have the big guy on the way. Oh yeah. You can see they're the same distance, or they're the same size when one is in the distance. Yeah, we're gonna get some work done here for sure. Just to ease the transition, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna buy a bunch of copper. Copper is cheaper, I should say, than other materials. But what it is allowing us to do is allowing us to just get a little bit of a backfill. It's going to take a little while for us to dig all this out, meaning it's going to take a little while for us to get any of the copper that we're mining into production. So this is going to be fine and fair. Just to get us going a little bit. Ah, yes. 3 trucks meshed in together. You didn't know this, but hauling trucks, have to huddle together for warmth at the end of the shift. Yep. Yeah, very natural. I'm very surprised Sir David Attenborough hasn't done, like, a special on that. Yeah, completely true things I just made up. Yeah, I don't think this will take very long. Whenever that other excavator... Oop. I knew it was going to be close. I'm just going to leave all 3 of these to do it. Okay. We're actually... Looks like we're coming back a little bit, which is good. That can get turned back on. Full meat, full everything. How is our meat, anyway? The fact that we have more than, like, 50 here tells me we're doing good. And we already checked our food a moment ago. It was doing very well. Sorry. Squeaky, squeaky chair. Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky chair. Squeaky, squeak. Squeaky, squeak. Squeaky, squeak. Squeaky, squeak. Yep. Good. Good stuff. How's our veggie? Oh, we're actually getting some proper veggies in. I should have probably done all that way, instead of segregating out each type. Which I thought was going to be helpful, but I realize now I don't think saved me any real tractive effort. I should just have all the farms make whatever the hell they want, split all 4 lines to whatever main core groups. So, wheat and corn over here, awesome. Veggies and potatoes over here, which we mostly have it like that, awesome. And then just split them as necessary when it gets to the end of the silos. Anytime we're overproducing, just go back and shift some of the items. Just change out some of the items. But that's okay. That'll just ketchup as needed. Ketchup and mustard as needed. We have not had a coal warning in, like, 2 episodes, I think. So that's been nice. That's been really nice. How's our oil reserves? Not so much the reserves, but how much we getting. Let's see here. I have this guy off. I don't think I need to turn him on quite yet. How's our lumber? Okay, that actually doesn't give me the full picture of how we're doing on lumber. Lumber is something that I wanted to start shutting off, and I tried to do a while ago. Because I want to switch over to some of these trade deals. Okay, so hold on. Assign a contract. Go to contracts. I need coal for... Oh, is that it? Or it's diesel for quartz. Ah, that sucks. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Okay. I'm gonna come back to you. I'll come back to you. You stay put. I'll come back to you. We're full up on science. Great. That's good. Fuel gas is good. Low food supply. Less good. How? Really? We have potatoes. We have bread. We're out of corn. We're out of vegetables. Corn and veg seem to be the order of business. Do I have the Unity mandate for... I know I'm just doing a lot of scrolling around and not really accomplishing much. The 2 recycling. We have the fuel saver. We don't have food saver. We have fuel saver, not food saver. Let's keep rolling a little bit, because now we're up to 19 months. I didn't change a darn thing. I didn't change a gosh darn thing. Okay, coal's looking good. Coal's looking very good. Okay. And we have plenty of storage right here, so I'm not worried about it. I think it's time to mess with power. Regardless of whether or not we'll be able to go nuclear. Because, nope, that's the wrong thing. Nuclear is in this tree, as are solar panels. But I don't know how much... Oh, I need graphite for that. I need a lot of stuff for that. Honestly, I think our biggest constraint is going to be people. As opposed to anything else. People power is going to be the issue. Okay, so let's talk about power. Power. I walked over it twice. There we go. I don't have... I probably can't buy solar cells, or what are they called? Yeah, solar cells. Silicon, glass, solar cell, steel. That doesn't sound too bad. But I still don't have silicon or quartz or any of that. Yeah, that's a lot of process I don't have and can't really afford with the workers I got, I think. So, I've walked through this like 2 or 3 times, and I still am not super thrilled about it because it feels like it doesn't save me any effort other than maintenance. So this would be a 25% reduction in maintenance if I went from this to this, right? It uses double the steam, which makes sense. But it also produces... Oh, it produces the same amount of tractive megawatt force. This goes from 500 to 300, and this is 3 to 2.5. So yeah, we did the math. This was like a 15% increase in efficiency or something. We have the materials for it. We can get it done. I'm just still a little nervous as to how to set this up. But I guess just in the exact same spot where we set this up before. So let's find an area where we can get plenty of water. And like right here feels like the right spot. But what I want to do is I want to be able to keep all our old systems online while we're working on our new systems. For size and space, that feels okay. Actually, what I am going to do is I'm going to grab our old setup. Not going to paste it, but this just gives me a really nice idea for size. I need about this much space, right? That's kind of what this tells me. Garbage mountain would be great if I could burn garbage. Actually, hold on. There are burners. It would be probably under this. Do I get anything other than tons of pollution? No. I can't burn anything and be like, hey, fuel source. Nope. Alright. The good thing is I don't need a fuel source. I could just burn sulfur. Good to know. Not gonna do it, but good to know. Okay. Oh, crap, I missed my thing. Let's try this again. So wherever I'm gonna throw this, it has to be where we have plenty of space and plenty of water. Actually, I feel right here would be perfect. We already have a water system set up. How close are we to the water table? Dang it, it keeps dropping the thing. We're close enough to the water table if we want to go that route. I've been using this thing mostly for exporting up into there, I think. So yeah, let's do it. Let's knuckle down and do it. I have no idea if there's a right way to do it or a wrong way to do it, but we're just going to do it the same way we've been doing it, right? So here's a high pressure turbine. It'll look like that. I also need a boiler of some sort. That is going to be under this, I think. Boiler, boiler, boiler. Nope. Boiler, boiler, boiler. We'll do coal. Is there a point to leaning this up, making it kind of compact? Not really. Its butt is going to stick out no matter what I try. Let's go with that, maybe. You'll produce 8 every 10. You consume... Whoops, that's the wrong turbine. Okay. I was like, hold on, why is my math all jank? Oh yeah, because I built the wrong damn thing. There we go. Okay, you require 8 every 10. Perfect. A level 1 pipe will do us just fine. We'll mess with the exhaust game a little later. You're gonna do this. And you need a level 1 pipe's worth. And how much do you find folks produce? 6 every 10. So we could just run level 2 pipes, call it a day. Which is what we will do exactly. Humorously enough, it's going that way. So, toggle direction. Toggle direction. I don't want you to toggle direction per se. But, hey. I must have forgot about raising the height. LOL. Okay, stick with that for a moment, would you please? Would you kindly? I need an exhaust. No, just a regular smokestack for now. When we do the math, and maybe it'll be different, maybe it'll be different. Okay, this produces 2 megawatts. Now, what I don't know is this next tier takes 3. So to do this correctly, I think I need to do something like this. Does that sound right? I think I would lose traction in between all the stuff. Outputs 2 megawatts of tractive energy. There is no mechanical pipe, is there? Like, there's no way to transfer stuff. Optimize power generator with lower friction and better efficiency. The slower it spins, the lower the efficiency is. The thing is, it'll never run at 100%. So maybe I put a flywheel before it and then just be like, yeah, you'll never ever run at 100%. It's fine. Is there a power level 3 that I should be using this for? I don't think there was. Power generation 4. I don't see a power generation 5. Nuclear power and electric boilers are pretty much how it works. Yeah, because this creates a ton of high steam, and then it goes from there. How much are you materials-wise? I guess let's experiment a bit. I honestly don't have the slightest idea what's right or wrong. I guess realistically, when we would come like this, like, there's not multiple inputs, right? And there's not even multiple inputs for the flywheel. So how do I transfer 3 of these power thingamadoos? Actually, that math's not even right. It would turn into 2 of these. So it would actually look like something like this. Then if that's the case... I have no idea if this works. We're gonna stay tuned. We're gonna find out. And then I guess a flywheel for buffer. Yeah, so these take 3 megawatts of tractive energy, mechanical energy. These produce 2. Okay, yeah. I don't have the slightest idea if any of this is going to work. And maybe that's half the fun of it. We can always blow it up if we need to. I don't want to, but we can. Okay, so there's high pressure steam. This also kicks out low steam. And what can I do with that? So it'll kick out 8, 8, 8. So that's 24. Sorry, just a second work. Okay. We can turn steam low. Steam low, sweet chariot. No, I don't want to produce steam low. Oh, we could use it for the desalination process, actually. Oh, wait, no, low pressure turbines. Oh my gosh, yeah, duh. Duh, John, duh. I just can't even think. Power, where are we at? Low pressure turbine 2 requires 16. 10 produces 2. It's kind of the same stupid situation we were a second ago in. This actually produces 3 right on, though. Sorry. I'm a super loud typer. I've tried to mess with the noise gate. I'm a loud typer. I'll admit it. I'll stand up publicly in court or whatever. Hi, my name's John. Hi, John. I'm a really loud typer. Thanks for telling us, John. Or like whatever. I guess I'll build this the other way, because that's how this comes in. Okay. Not going to worry about that until I'm done with the recording. So low pressure turbine takes 16. Low pressure turbine takes 1. Flywheel. Power Jenny 2. And we're just going to cut all that. You haven't the foggiest if any of this works this way. We are definitely going to see. Oh, I'm going to have to connect it anyway. I was going to say, let's just do the other tier first. Oh, what we could do is this. Okay. So that pauses that. And this will take it one step at a time, so I'm kind of minimizing how much loss we're going to suffer. So, yep. Yep. Oh, and I missed. Alright, so that's all of that. And the only thing we're missing is coal. Huh, I didn't know I could use the... Oh, I did know I could use the biomass, but the only way biomass is produced is by the colony, isn't it? There's not a great way for me to mass produce biomass. Yeah. Like, there's ways for me to use it, but there's not super great ways for me to accumulate it reliably. Copper supply is low. How low? Quite low. How we doing here? We're almost at the layer, so we're going to do another massive purchase of copper. Holy hell, that's expensive. Excuse my language, but oh my geez, that is worth some coin. They're making a killing off of me. How are we on our recycling? Low power, but we actually worked through a lot of the recycling, so that's fine. That's actually okay. What I am going to do, though, is I'm going to buy some scrap. Yep. Just keep the scrap flowing. What else do I need to do? Oh. 8 every 10, 8 every 10. I need 24. How much are we producing here? 6, 6, 6, 6. That is 24. Okay, the math checks out. You go there. You go there. No, we're gonna balance this. 2 inputs, 3 outputs. Meh. That doesn't make for good times. Where are balancers? There we go. I need a pipe balance. Oh, right there. Right there seems good. Right there. You come in there. Hello. There you go. You go in there. Hello. The little tooltip thingy, construction parts 2. I don't. Can you see it? Looking on the stream, yeah, it's absolutely there. It's absolutely annoying. That didn't work the way I wanted it to. This is straight up exhaust, is it not? Yes, this top one is exhaust. So let's go ahead and cap that. That is something that's not going to change. Unless I want to do the cooling tower dance, which we might. I kind of feel like I should have saved the cooling tower dance for now, when we're getting much more volume. Okay, let's do the math one more time. 6 times 4 every 10 is 24. 8 times 3 every 10 is also 24. The math is perfectly even. This all can untap. Alright. We'll know if any of this works if we generate any power whatsoever. If we don't, then I'm not really too sure. This would be the one aspect of the game that I would actually Google or wiki or look up or whatever, because I have no idea how any of this snaps in together. We will find out. course, everyone's extremely busy. Here I'm just staring here waiting for stuff to happen. It's like, why is not happen? Oh, right, everyone's very busy. We did reduce a lot of routes coming from what our research was using, though, so that's a good. That's a happy. Yeah, thumbs up on that, yeah. I like having this much coal. This is good. Actually, I also have not routed coal yet, now that I think about it. Which is fortunate. Did I do the wrong thing? Oh, it's this whole can't connect to a ramp thing. Boiler, coal. Oh, I didn't set the recipe. No import, no export. You know what would be hilarious, now that I think about it, is if you could have trucks transport the kinetic energy of what's being produced around. Like, can you think of that? Like, have you ever seen a cement mixer? There's a huge drum on the back of it that has to keep spinning. You can't let the concrete set, right? So this would be even greater because now it's just shaking constantly, trying to maintain kinetic energy. I think that would be hilarious. And then of course the driver, right? Here's the real kicker. When the driver gets out of the cab, someone's like, "Hey Frank, how's it doing today? You doing all right?" They get out of the cab and they are also violently shaking. Oh man. That is funnier than heck. Than all of heck combined. Alright, this is gonna be some creative work. My magnum opus is about to occur. And probably not even that. Nope. I'm really glad I thought for 2 seconds. Can you connect to this at all? Is there any feasible way? There would be if it was 1 square over. And I can't make it with this configuration. Rats. Okay. We move it over by 2. It's fine. We're not hurting for space anyhow. That's not... damn it, well, there we go. Now it's what's happening. Holy crap. I'm trying to put the mouse where I think is a blank space, and it is not blank. It is the opposite of blank. Would something like this be better? Yes, it would. I think it would. There's no need for me to have a bad time trying to cramp stuff up if it's not going to fly. There, that's much more room. Much more room. Okay. First of all is water. I still need to set up a pipe balancer. Gonna be right there. It was freaking out on the connections because the pipes were not going to be close enough or whatever. See, that... Nope. Nope. Stop. Just stop. That drives me nuts. Okay, there's that. Once that is built... right, okay, so this is water. Excellent. We're using level 2 no. Holy crap, no. Oh my god, no. Just having a bad time. Alright. Correct, right. Okay, cool. Oh, in the words of Earthworm Jim, groovy. Alright, it doesn't matter, in or out, it's gonna be the same. We're not doing strictly even anything. This needs to get nuked whenever... right now. All the arrows are pointing the right direction? Amazing. Oh, for gosh sake, are you kidding me? Oh, jeez. Alright, you know what? We haven't even started construction yet. Here's what's happening. Yup. There. Okay? Just... I don't know why I'm trying to save 2 squares worth of time and then wasting even more time trying to make it fly. Let's swallow our pride. Let's be like, yes, even big boys do cry, or whatever. Let's just get it going. See, construction parts, I don't need to know that. We'll still make this look damn good, though. Cool? Okay. Water in, exhaust out, coal in. Super glad we weren't halfway through building this and being like, oh man, grabingle bangle, why does none of this work? Ah, for cheese whiz. Oh, that's gonna need, yeah, 3 every 10. So that's 9 every 10. Oh, I'm gonna need a bigger boat. Yep. This guy needs an upgrade. At least to right there, yeah. So U-shape converter, conveyor, good. Conveyor 2. Let's go up a little bit here. And all the way. And right in. Cool, now this is going to be easy. Why? Are you serious? You're serious? Sure. Try me. Try me in my artistic flair. Get scribbled. No imports, no exports, no imports, no exports, no imports. Oh, you're already set up. Cool. Alright, very good. Now I would like this to get built. Huh. Once that gets built and we're happy with the formula, we're going to go ahead and remove some of this other level 1 stuff. You need to be unificated. Not if maintenance... Uh-oh. 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 Hold on. Why? This is a level 2 priority. We are going to pause research. Just like that. We have enough electronics. Research is not the issue. Transportation is the issue. I did set that to level 2, though. Went a little too far. Where'd we go? Yep, I did set that to level 2. Yep, recycling's not the issue. Nothing else is the issue. Now, where are we on our Unity? Why are we losing so much Unity? 1 boost, 4 edicts, 2 coal mines, a sawmill, a research, 2 research labs. No household goods. Interesting. We are very full up. It is because of everyone being extremely busy, as one might guess. Once we hit the copper, we should be doing pretty well here, and I won't need so many trucks. So let's remove 1. Let's remove an excavator. Whatever. Nope. I want to click on that guy. Scrap-a-doo. Thank you. Okay. How are we doing on corn and wheat? Empty again. Oh my word. Is anything backed up? Let's check real quick. Corn, some wheat. Nothing's backed up per se, and they're using the same lines. This guy's kicking out. Yeah, he's all kicked out. Looks like he's still giving out some corn, but I don't see any corn in here. Oh, never mind. Okay. What else is next? Very soon, all the copper we can eat, right? What are you waiting on? I wish they would share trucks a little bit better. That kind of bugs me a bit, to be honest. That's still off. That's still doing whatever, because we're still good on glass. Yep, I'm looking forward to power being online. Being a thing. Okay. We're getting there. We are getting there. Mega trucks. Mega trucks are going to be so good. Do we have... Is there... Like, does it say mega trucks in here? I don't think it... Yeah, it doesn't have finished vehicle componentry. Actually, it's probably going to need... Not that one. It's probably going to need mechanical parts or vehicle parts level 3 or something, right? Damn it, which is electronics level 2, which is my whole problem this entire time. Grrr. For those of you just joining, my ship is damaged and requires electronics level 2 in order to refit itself properly. I have the technology research, but the unfortunate thing is, the only way I can get those components is via a trade deal, a contract more specifically. Now, oh no, actually I just need rep number 2, which I can't get because I don't have the boat. Yeah. So there's a lot of back and forth here. We can bootstrap ourselves. We can get out of where we're at. It's doable. It's annoying, but it's doable. Okay, how are you empty? How are you empty? This is water, isn't it? It absolutely is. Oh, what? That's dumb. I don't know what I did that made that happen, but that's dumb on toast. That is dumb. It comes in a big jar. It's a big jar of dumb. And you just slather it on whatever you want. That's how dumb that is. I'm sure I messed something up. I don't remember what I messed up. I don't know how I messed it up. I don't know why I messed it up. But apparently I messed it up. And it happened. But that's okay. We'll do this differently. I'm gonna wait for some of this to... Nope. Hold on. That's not what I want. I want... Hello? I want that guy. That's better. Okay. Huh. And I don't care. That's how a balancer should look anyway, than the double and triple merging. Now, I don't want that there. And if we're going to do it, we're going to do it right. There we go. Oh, no. None of this junction nonsense. What the heck? Ah, bravissimo. Excellent. Okay. Huh. Okay, that fires up. This creates steam. Okay, it does look like you can just daisy chain them. Now, this spins, and then these should generate tons of energy, right? Now, they maybe are not producing anything because we already have other power. This stuff is also relegated as a priority 10. So what we're going to do is just for lulz, because this is, I'm sure, much higher priority. Priority 9. It's not much higher, but it is higher. It is higher for higher. So I'm going to shut that off. I'm going to shut you off. And where's the other stuff? I'm going to shut you off. I'm going to shut you off. This will eventually peter out because it will not be producing any more steam. Wow, that was a lot faster than I thought that was going to be. Also, I don't have any flywheels down there. I never converted those over properly. Oh, no, this is not the right thing. Okay, how we do? We are producing a steady amount of energy. That was a lot less scary than I thought that was going to be. Like, to me, like, I still don't really understand. Like, should I be putting flywheels in between each of these? Or just this one's fine? Do we need, like, 4 more flywheels? I don't know. Probably doesn't matter super much, but this actually proves out the theory nicely. So, you'll produce 2 megawatts, you'll produce 1 megawatt, you'll have a flywheel, you need 3 megawatts. Great. I would like this all to be constructed, please. Now, why are we only producing 5 megawatts? Because that's all we have. Okay, so let's compare our power grids first, before we get all crazy. That's producing 5. These were producing how much? 6, 6, 6. Oh, I don't have the other grid on. So 2.5. Oh my gosh, this is too much math. Okay, let's just, without doing all the factoring, let's just see how much we're producing. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And then 18 times 2. 3, 6, 9, 12, 18. Actually, it's 18 times 4. So 1.8 times 4 is 7.2 megawatts of juice. Now, we're at 5.5 now. No, 5. We're at a flat 5. When we get this fired on, it's going to be 5, 6, 7.5. Again, less maintenance requirement? Less items? Less individual items I have floating around? Maybe that's kind of the deal? This is a priority 2. It is a power infrastructure importante thing. So this produces 5. We can actually start taking apart some of the other infrastructure. This didn't use the low flywheels. This didn't use anything really. This used water that was coming from the mains. So this all can probably just get conjunct. Where does this go? What is this doing? Is this water? What is this? It is water. Do we not have water coming through here? Or, wait. This is producing what? Oh, it's producing exhaust. And you need exhaust and water, and that's what that is. Which is coming from a cooling tower, and this. Okay, I don't want to mess with this water line. That's the issue. Or it's not an issue, it's just what's going on. Nuke, nuke, nuke. Yeah, all this can get nuked. Because I can't just upgrade this, can I? There's no upgrade button. Oh, there is. I still will need to refactor everything else, so I don't see the point. You know what? I wonder if I could just keep using all the little flywheels, but the game did say these little flywheels would not be as... Or the bigger generators or whatever are more energy efficient. So all that goes. All this goes. All that. All that, that. And that. Not the one on the left. That. Okay, it's because we already have it decommissioned. Ning. Whatever. This was producing water that was being fed back into the mains, which is no longer applicable. No longer applicable. No longer applicable. No longer bananacable. Scribabicable. Abble-debabitable. Okay. That takes care of a lot of stuff that I clumped in just to make ends meet that I do not want anymore. Now, that being said, we're still under power, so this still has to be a thing for a while longer. We have a lot of diesel. We have a lot of fuel gas. Wow. We are changing over to that for sure. Yep. Poof. Okay, let's pause. Truck cannot reach destination because truck got stuck, and that's somehow my fault. Glass supply is low. Okay, it's still a positive number. I call it a win. Electronic supply is low. These are all because of copper being short. Okay. Okay. What I am going to do is I'm going to call you. I don't need nearly as many eggs, and we need to save on feed. Yep, so power is going to be a little bit of an issue. We should... Whoa, 5.3. Why? Oh, because water. Holy crap. Hey, guess what? Priority 2. Hey, guess what? Priority 2. None of the rest of the process requires power. Distillers don't require power. The storages don't require power. None of that stuff requires power. So now you need all the low steam. Which is something I should have done before I decommissioned the other power plant, but we're here already. Wish there was a high priority drag thing. Yeah, I got too darn excited. This one's on me, for sure. Too darn excited. Hey, look, man. New power grid. Amazing. Greenhouse level 2. Neat. Okay. Pipe level 1. Can we make that look not bad? Oh, that's right. Control. Perfect. Pipe level 2. Okay. Now you are going to release steam depleted. You're going to give me 24 steam depleted every 10. That probably makes the cooling towers feel a lot better, yeah? Now where are they? I would need a lot of that. We're just going to release the steam. I think that whole cooling tower thing is a nice idea. And maybe we need to ramp up harder for that to be viable. There we go. Cool. High priority. I think one of the things I need to start avoiding doing is having the trucks just quick remove and quick add. Because what's happening, honestly, is it's getting dumped off into... I think it's just getting shoveled into the storage yard or something, and it's not really getting anything done. The shipyard, or whatever that's called. And then once that happens, it's like, oh, man, well, now I have to try to get rid of all this stuff. Now what do we do? This is of highest importance, considering how little copper I have at the moment and how few electronics I have. This is critical above all else. Once we get some electronics, we'll get the rest of our power grid hooked up, and then things are going to be peachy of keen. Peachy keen. Yeah, once more that hooks up. Okay, lessons learned. Don't decommission your old network until you're happy with your new network. I honestly could have just paused all that. I didn't have to decommission it. I thought it was a bit lower on construction materials. So I think that's why I did it. Power is good. No longer need a Unity. And we're right back in the good with tons of copper. Yes, update that, please. I want to have that full all the time. Okay, how are we looking here? So 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. That's 7.5 megawatts. Just to be completely clear about it, 7.5 is about where we were before. High pressure turbine needs steam low. Wait. 8 every 10, 8 every 10, 8 every 10. Right? That's 24 every 10. 16 every 10, 8 every 10. That's also 24 every 10. I don't think I get what's happening here. And we might have to do a balancer to make this happier. Is it because the steam depleted isn't getting out fast enough? Not honestly too super sure what's going on. But what we can do is we can disable the old grid now, I think. So that'll get us to about where we were. We were at 7.2, now we're at 7.5. Why do I keep doing that? Trucks are extremely busy, so what we're going to do is we're going to help a brother out. I can't build across this, can I? Not sure. Maybe? Yeah, buddy. Almost. Do it. No, you were perfect a second ago. Yes, do it. Greenhouse level 2 is going to give us more growth, but also requires more fertilizer. .65 megawatts. Something happened. This shuts off because this is full and this is full. I don't really understand what's missing here. You produce 8 steam low every 10. You require 8 steam low every 10. This should be a perfect match. Huh. What we're going to do really quickly is we're going to get a balancer in here and we'll get an exhaust system. I think that's just going to be smarter. Upgrade that. Let's just get this all tidied up real nice. Did I already high priority this? I did, okay. Oh, we're going to be powerless for another second or two. Yep, lessons learned for sure. I don't want to waste steam. Like, it feels like it's a perfect 1-to-1 for me, but I'm clearly missing something. Something is being missed, and I'm not too entirely sure what it is, but that's okay. I guess a remainder of 1 anywhere in the system would cause issues. Let's get that all fired back up. Get us a little bit of power. I will deal with the low food supply in a moment. Did prioritize that. Truck is busy. Now, quick deconstructing, I think, is what's causing our... We have too much crap going on. Quick reconstructing, or quick building, I think is okay. Can someone come get this, please? Actually, nuts to it. I'll just do it. Yep, thanks. You came too late, buddy. Thanks for nothing. Alright. Quick hook. Quick hook. Quick hook. Quick hook, and I would like a smokestack, but I do need a 1 tile gap. We've learned that before. Very good. Okay. This is going to look like this. In. Actually, out. And then that's a low priority out. If we need it, we need it. That should get us back online. I wouldn't expect to see this flare. But it is flaring, so meh. Anyway, that gets us back to square. Chicken farm, not enough food. We're gonna unpause you. We're good on ethanol. I called all the chickens. Let's pause you. Okay, hopefully that'll help. Let's go ahead and call this an episode, though. The power grid was the biggest thing I wanted to confront. And though I was a little scared, this system seems to work, whether it's designed to or not or whatever. But it seems to be okay. Oh, okay, now you're out of... Okay. We're not getting rid of the depleted steam fast enough. Okay, that might be an issue. That might be our thing. Alright. Oh boy, refactoring and more later. But thank you all for joining me. Name's JohnMegacycle. Another episode of Captain of Industries in the books, and I hope to catch you next time. Hey there, guys, gals, fans, and pals. Thanks for checking out my video. I also want to take a moment to thank all my supporters and donators, and if you'd like to join up with me and game with my crew, all the information to get connected is in the description below. Thanks again, and I hope to catch you next time.